In our class drawing of graph of any function, we are going to draw three functions this time. This is fx is x, and then fx equals minus x, and fx equals absolute x. So let's see. In this function fx equals x, whatever the value is x, y becomes the same value: 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3, and so on. We just need then obviously to connect these dots. So let me make it, move it properly this, so that it makes it easier. Yes, now again I put dots, 0 obviously, and I connect these lines. So this is function of fx is x. Now the second function fx minus x, in this graph, whatever x minus y is its opposite. So when it is positive x, y should be minus. When it is x negative, then y is positive. So plus 2 becomes minus y, minus 2. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. Minus 2 becomes plus 2, minus 3 becomes plus 3. So I connect these lines as well. So this is our function fx is equals minus x. So, and the question is left, what is then function of graph of absolute x? So in this graph, like it's in previous lesson, fx similar to fx x squared, the graph locates only in first and second quadrants, because when it doesn't matter x, whatever the value x gets, the y is always positive. So if x is plus 1, then y is plus 1. If x minus 1, y is plus 1. If x minus 2, y is plus 2. If it is x2 minus, again y is plus 2. So we can say, if I just delete this part of these both graphs, my absolute fx equals x will become this, because let me draw this with another color, and this one. Fx equals absolute x.